In this section we start to build out the RAG application and AI agents. The first application will be a cool RAG application. So we will train an LLM with the data that we want to have. And we want to do this completely automatical. Our automation will look something like this. We have a folder in Google Drive. In this Google Drive folder we can simply upload data. This data will get uploaded automatically into a vector database from Pinecone. And then another workflow will have access to this vector database, so you can simply chat with these documents. This is relatively practical, because you can simply upload new data all the time into your Google Drive. It will be added automatically and you have a RAG application that you can update in no time whatsoever. This is also a RAG application that you could eventually sell to people, but more on that later. After this RAG application, we want to combine the RAG technology with email automation. We want to upload a lot of email addresses into a vector database, and then we want to have an email automation. So if I simply tell this automation, send an email to Dave and invite him to my birthday party, this automation will search the vector database, give me the right email address, will write the email and can send this email completely automatical. In this automation you will also learn how you can trigger sub workflows with webhooks. So this is cool. And then I want to show you the fastest email automation that you can create. This will be really easy. Our next application is able to filter our emails from our inbox. So as soon as we get emails, they get filtered, and if the emails have a specific content, our application will automatically answer to these emails. I just make an example for my YouTube channel. Every time that I get a sponsor deal, this application will answer to these deals, and if it's not a sponsor deal, it will not answer. And I also want to show you how you can summarize your whole inbox every day at 7 AM. This will be easy, this will be cool, this can save you a lot of time so that you do not have to read all your emails all day long.